How to stabilize shaky videos in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Capcut application and select the project that you want to stabilize. So here I've already selected a project and a video that I want to stabilize. So what I'm going to do is just tap on the menu bar over here at the bottom of the screen. Now just swipe it to the left and tap on the video. So just swipe it to the left and you'll be able to see different options. Now just swipe it until you find the option of stabilize. So here you can see the option of stabilize, so just tap on it. You can now select the level of how you want to stabilize the video, from minimal cropping to recommended to more stable. Now it may take a while or it may take a little longer to process, but you can still edit a video in the meantime. So just tap on OK, and while it's stabilizing you can make the necessary edits that you want to have. After that, what you can do is just tap on the tick mark at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on the tick mark and then here you have stabilized your shaky video in Capcut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.